Have you seen those viral AI animals eating spicy food videos? The reactions are absolutely hilarious. Today I'm going to show you how to make one in just a few minutes. No more wasting time. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, just click the link in the description. Step 2. Create animals eating spicy food video. Once you open it, go to AI video, then select text to video. In the model section, we'll be using the Sora2 model for this video. Now for the important part. Type in your prompt. If you don't know what to write, don't worry, I've already prepared one for you as always. Just grab it from the description for free and paste it into the prompt box. Set your duration, resolution, and aspect ratio however you like. Then hit generate. Wait a moment, and your video is done. And of course, you can rewrite the prompt to create any animal, any food, and any background you want. Have fun creating your own unique spicy food animal video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's it. See you in the next one.